So Jonah Cecil, who started on the opposite side of Hudson Wallace last year, was a guy that in the Springdale game, which was the second game of the year, we didn't have any turnovers, which was kind of new for us. The year prior, we were turnover happy. Scoop and score for a touchdown. So welcome to the defense, Jonah Cecil. And so, but not only that, he played really well in the passing game. And there was a guy, Hudson was a guy that would cover the deep ball on his side. You didn't have to worry about Jonah Cecil's side. We saw him as a sophomore make some great plays, and I was like, man, this guy's gonna make plays as a junior. He's gonna be our guy, right? And he was. Now he's the leader back there. I mean, Jacoby's gonna be the guy that you count on. But Jonah's the senior. He's the guy that knows what's going on. He's gonna help direct things. He's gonna be your leader in the secondary.